minister suspended. How do we?
This is a clear hypocritic stand of this government is witnessing nowadays. On one side, very big breach of security had been happened in the parliament. The person who was responsible for the entire this breach of responsibility is sitting in the house. Pratap Sinha MP, those who recommended for these people to enter into the house. On the other side, the MPs who's demanding for a reply from the government on the serious breach of security had been suspended. This is becoming a banana republic now. These people are making India as a banana republic, BJP people. How can you justify these types of things? Because we in Rajya Sabha, what happened? The leader of opposition is asking for an intervention from 12 o'clock onwards. They are not even giving. Chairman is not even allowing to speak him. Government is not allowing. On the other hand, they are suspending the people, those who are raising the voice. This state of affairs. How can we tolerate all of these things? I think people will judge it on it.
What's the way forward from the opposition?
No. Opposition party, we have to, we should know about the security breach. Suspending and removing from the parliament, we are not going to budge all these things. We will raise our voice again and again and again. The country need to know what happened. The Home Minister has to come and he has to explain, because the entire responsibility of these things is with the Home Minister.